3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A, you can write it in the form of sin 3A. Tan 180 minus any angle is minus tan. So therefore here it becomes minus tan C. You know the formula of sin 3A, that is it is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Use all the expression in terms of cos only, because on the right hand side we need only cos function. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So in this session we are going to revise the chapter Trigonometry. So basically your compound angles, submultiple angles and transformation formula. So now in this chapter we are going to discuss only 1 mark, 2 and 3 mark questions in this session. We will take up 5 marks question in the next session. So let's see the distribution of marks from this chapter. So from this chapter, you will get 1 mark question, 2 mark question and 1 5 mark question. Sometimes they will give you 1 3 mark question along with 2 mark 1 question. So the total marks you can expect from this chapter is 10. So maximum you will get 2 mark question, 2, 1 mark and 1 5 mark question. So let's see the questions now. If sin A is equal to 3 by 5, find sin 2A and sin 3A. So only any one of them will be asked. Either they will ask you to solve sin 2A or sin 3A. So here the year is mentioned here. So one time they have asked for sin 2A, the other time they have asked for sin 3A. So when sin 2A is given, we know the formula of sin 2A. That is, it is 2 sin A cos A. Since the angle is not mentioned, that is on which angle the quadrant lies, we can use the Pythagoras property to get the value of cos A. We know that opposite by hypotenuse. So therefore, obviously the cos A will be 4 by 5, adjacent by hypotenuse. So sin 2A is 2 into sin A cos A, that is 4 by 5. So the value will be equal to 24 by 25. So this is your sin 2A. Now if you want to calculate sin 3A, you know the formula of sin 3A, that is it is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. So 3 into 3 by 5 minus 4 into 3 cube is 27. 5 cube is 125. So 3 3s are 9 divided by 5 minus 108 divided by 125. On solving this, you will get the LCM as 125. So 5 25s are. So 25 into 9 is 225 minus 108. So the value will be 117 divided by 125. This is your sin 3A. Next, find the value of 3 sin 10 degree minus 4 sin cube 10 degree. We know that sin 3A is 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. So if you have 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A, you can write it in the form of sin 3A. So the value of A is here 10 degree. So therefore the answer is equal to sin 3 into 10 degree. Therefore it is equal to sin 30 degree. So what is the value of sin 30 degree? It is equal to 1 by 2. Next, if tan A is equal to 3 by 4, A is acute, find tan 2A. So tan 2A is given by 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. So 2 into 3 divided by 4, 1 minus 3 square is 9 divided by 16. So we will get 6 divided by 4, 16 minus 9, and in the denominator 16 minus 9 will be equal to 7 divided by 16. So 4 1s are, 4 4s are, so 6 4s are 24 divided by 7. So the value is 24 divided by 7. Next, find cos 2A if sin A is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 2A can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square A. So therefore here 1 minus 2 sin square means 1 by 2 whole square, which is 1 by 4. So we will get this as 1 by 2 again. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So therefore cos 2a is 1 by 2. Express sin 5a cos 3a as a sum of difference of two trigonometric functions. So now here this is in the form of sin c cos d, which can be written as half of sin c plus d plus sin c minus d. So therefore this can be written as half of sin 5a plus 3a plus sin 5a minus 3a. So that is equal to half sin 8a plus sin 2a. So this is the conversion of the product to sum. Next, 2 mark question. Prove that cos 2a divided by secant a plus sin 2a divided by cosecant a is equal to cos a. So now consider the left hand side here. So we have cos 2a, 1 by secant a can be written as cos a. Next we have sin 2a, 1 by cosecant can be written as sin a. We know that cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is equal to cos a minus b. So therefore this becomes cos 2a minus a, that is equal to cos a. Hence we have proved. Next, if a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree and tan a is equal to 1, tan b is equal to 2, show that tan c is equal to 3. So using the sum of angles of a triangle here, let me write a plus b is equal to 180 minus c. Applying tan on both sides, we get tan a plus b is equal to tan 180 minus c. So here tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan 180 minus any angle is minus tan. So therefore here it becomes minus tan c. Now tan a and tan b value is given, that is 1 plus 2 divided by 1 minus 1 into 2, which is equal to 2 minus tan c we will get here. So now 1 plus 2 divided by 1 minus 2, you will get it as 3 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus tan c. So we have minus on both sides. So therefore removing it, we will get tan c is equal to 3. Hence we have proved it. Next, prove that cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So therefore, let me take this as cos 3a as cos 2a plus a. Now using cos x plus y formula, I can write this as cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. That is cos a plus b formula. Now again we know the cos formula, that it is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Use all the expression in terms of cos only, because on the right hand side we need only cos function. So here cos a. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a into sin a outside we have. So now here 2 cos square a into cos a becomes 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a we have here. Sin a into sin a becomes sin square a. So this is equal to 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a. Sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a. On multiplying, we will get 2 cos cube a minus cos a. Minus into minus becomes plus here. Cos square into 2 cos square a become 2 cos square a minus 2 cos a. 2 cos square a plus cos cube a. This is cos a into cos square cos cube. 2 cos cube a plus 2 cos cube a becomes 4 cos cube a minus cos A minus 2 cos A becomes minus 3 cos A. So that is the right hand side. Hence we proved. Next question. Find the value of tan 15 degree. So use tan A plus B or tan A minus B. For tan 15 can be written as tan 45 degree minus 30 degree. So this can be written as tan 45 minus tan 30 divided by 1 minus plus tan 45 tan 30 degree. The value of tan 45 is 1, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 minus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3. On solving and cancelling the denominator root 3, we will get the value as root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Now, this is the value with rational roots here. If you want to remove the roots in the denominator, multiply with its conjugate, then the numerator become root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Denominator become 3 minus 1. So here this becomes root 3 into root 3, 3 plus 1, and here we will get minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So we will get 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. On cancelling this, we will get 4 divided by 2 becomes 2. 2 root 3 by 2 becomes root 3. So therefore 2 minus root 3 is the value of tan 15 degree. Next, if sin A is equal to 3 by 5, cos B is equal to minus 8 by 17, A lies between pi by t to pi, that is it lies in the second quadrant. A lies in second quadrant and B lies between pi by 2 to pi, means B also lies in second quadrant. So therefore sin is positive in the second quadrant, cos is negative in the second quadrant. We need to find out sin A minus B. So sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So we have here sin A. Sin A is 3 by 5. Cos B they have given, that is minus 8 by 17. We don't know cos A, but using Pythagoras triplets we can write cos A as 4 by 5. But since it lies in the second quadrant, we will get the value as minus 4 by 5. Again, to find out sin B, we know cos is 8 by 17, that is adjacent side is 8, hypotenuse is 17. So obviously the opposite side will be 15 using Pythagoras triplet. So we can write it as 15 by 17, and in the second quadrant sign is positive, so therefore we write it as plus 15 by 17. So here on solving, so minus 24 divided by 17 5s are 85. Next here we have minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20 divided by 85. So the value will be equal to minus 4 divided by 85. Next question. Prove that sin 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Here I will consider the right hand side part, that is 2 tan a. I'll just convert tan a to sin and cos as a ratio. So I'll write it as tan a as sin a divided by cos a whole divided by 1 plus. So here we have tan square a, which becomes sin square a divided by cos square a. So here I'll get 2 into sin a divided by cos a. So solving the fraction here, we'll get it as cos square a plus sin square a divided by cos square a. Now here we have 1 cos a cancels with 1 cos a. The sum of cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. So therefore here I will get 2 sin a divided by 1 by cos a. 1 by cos a shifting to the numerator, it becomes 2 sin a cos a. We know that 2 sin a cos a is nothing but sin 2a, that is the left hand side. Hence we proved. Next. Show that cos pi by 4 minus alpha minus cos pi by 4 plus alpha is equal to root 2 sin alpha. So we know that cos C minus cos D can be written as minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. So using this property I can write it as minus 2 sin pi by 4 minus alpha plus pi by 4 plus alpha divided by 2. Again sin pi by 4 minus alpha minus pi by 4 plus alpha becomes minus pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2. Here minus alpha plus alpha get cancels. Here pi by 4 minus pi by 4 get cancels. So we get minus 2 sin 2 pi by 4 by 2 becomes sin pi by 4. And here minus alpha is sin minus 2 alpha by 2, which becomes sin minus alpha. So minus 2 sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. And here it becomes minus sin alpha. So multiplying minus outside, and here we will get it as root 2 sin alpha. So that is the RHS. Next question, we have prove that sin 3a divided by 1 plus cos 2a is equal to sin a. So let us consider the left hand side. Sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 2a, convert this in terms of sine. So then it becomes 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 2 sin square a. So here take sine as common factor. We will get it as 3 minus 4 sin square a. And on multiplying this, 1 plus 2 into 1 is 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So again here minus 2 2s are 4 sin square a. So 3 minus 4 sin square a, 3 minus 4 sin square a get cancelled. I am left with sin a, that is the RHS. Next question, we have tan a is equal to 5 by 6, tan b is equal to 1 by 11. Show that a plus b is equal to pi by 4. Let us apply tan a plus b formula. So tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b whole divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So they have given the value of tan a as 5 by 6 and tan b as 1 by 11 whole divided by 1 minus 5 by 6 into 1 by 11. On solving this, we have 11 5s are 55. 55 plus 6 is 61 by 66. Again here 11 6 are 66. 66 minus 5 becomes 61 by 66. So both get cancels. So we are getting here tan a plus b value as 1. So we know that tan pi by 4 is 1. So both side removing tan, we will get the value of a plus b is equal to pi by 4. Hence we have proved. So these are all the few questions you can expect for 2 marks and 1 mark question. So we'll meet you in the next session with the 5 marks. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.